Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Are you focus master? Find 34 within time. Come on viewer, time is up. Super, that's 134. Hey, are you genius? Can you find the number 77 within time? Excellent, that's 177. Anybody can find 58 between these numbers? Good job, that's number 58. Hey legend, check your IQ level. Can you find a 78 within time? Super, that's 17H. Quiz number 5. Anybody can find 36 between these numbers? Awesome, you found it. 36. Hey gentlemen, check your observation skills. Can you find the letter RT within time? Yes, you are a real gentleman. You found the letter RT. Hey viewer, find the odd number 99 between these numbers. That's the number 99. Hey genius, can you spot the odd emoji within time? Amazing, that's one the odd emoji. Hey viewer, your brain are perfect. Find the number 33 within time. Wow, your brain is perfect. You found it. Test your eyes. Can you find the letter NC within time? Viewers, your eye like eagle. Test your visual skills. Can you find the odd number 94 between these numbers? Super, that's 194. Anybody can find the odd letter OO within time. The question is very hard, but my audience is very genius. Come on, genius! Super, that's the letter. Next, medium level start. Hello, my genius viewer. Find the odd number within time. Wow, that's great. Hey, you ready? Find the odd letter within given time. That's the letter. Impossible to find the odd letter within time. I know this was impossible letter, but great job, you found it. Can you find the odd one? Amazing! This one is the odd one. Genius, can you find the odd letter within time? My question is very hard, but my viewer is very genius. Come on, viewer, time is up. That's one the odd letter. Which one is the unique? Can you find it? That's great. This one is the unique. Genius viewer, attention here. Can you find the odd number? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one within given time? Come fast, viewer, time is over. One letter is different. Can you find? Hurry up, viewer, time is up. You found it? Hello, legend. One number is different. The question is very hard, but my viewer is very legend. You found it? Check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd emoji? Wow, you found the odd emoji. Hey viewer, check your brain. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Wow, your brain like a computer. Now, hard level start. First question of the hard level. Can you find the odd number? Hey, you found the first question? Check your IQ level in hard question. Wow, amazing! Your IQ level is very high. Test your eye, find the odd number within given time. Hey genius, are you focus master? Time is up. Check your observation skills, find the odd letter. Only the genius can find the odd one. Sharp eyes can find the odd emoji within time. Wow, what's a sharp eyes? Let's now identify the odd number within given time. Wow, you identify the odd number. Hey viewer, test your visual skill. Check your brain, find the odd letter. Amazing, that's one the correct answer. Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number within time? Wow, your brain power is good working. Hey legend, can you see it? Amazing, you see it. The last one, brain test. Find the odd letter within time. That's one, the odd letter. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.